How can we build a strong relationship with God?
The basic thing is that Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran that I have created man and jinn for the sake of worship. If we are worshipping God according to the commandments given to us by Him, that is 5 daily prayer, as I have already said, and know the meaning of it, then we can have good relation. In the Surah Fatiha, there is one verse that Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Oh Allah, guide us on the right path. When you repeatedly repeat this prayer, if it is coming from your heart, then Allah Ta'ala will guide you. And you will feel the presence of Allah Ta'ala. And when you are in sajda position, you are prostrating before Allah, bowing before Allah, then you cry to Allah Ta'ala that, oh Allah Ta'ala, show me your presence. Then you will feel something and you will see the sign. That is what so many people have experienced. Right?